So unfortunately I did just record for like half an hour, but I actually forgot to press record on my PC, which basically yeah. Recording number 2, I guess. Try not to laugh challenge. Here we go. Let's do this. Haha, was that a fart? Was it a fart? Because if it was, you need to teach your fucking... That's what I'm gonna say. Oh my god. You best not. Idiot. No, idiot. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh. Oh god. Oh. That was definitely her shin. Let's hear it again. Oh. Jesus Christ. Idiot. Yo, can't deal with these dumb people, man. Look, some people. And that is bad parenting right there, boys and girls. Do not take after this dude right here, because he is a bad parent. You don't want to follow him, because otherwise your kid will end up dead like this one. Dead. He's fine, is he? No, he's dead. He just died. He just died. How can you miss that? Oh god. Skip. Whoa, you're having a great time, right? Whoa, and it just absolutely. Oh, it's impressive, really. And well, that goal's gonna get knocked over. Boom. Cool. Yay, nice one, mate. Look at. Oh, that's terrible. That is. Oh, you can already see it. I paused it on the greatest moment. He's mid-air. He's gonna fall off. His legs higher than his. Oh, mate. And that's definitely him dead. Break your neck. Boom. Spastic. See ya. See you later. I'm gonna just jump backwards and kill myself now. Oh, to be continued right there. Oh, there's no more fire. What a shame. Never put fire near children. Don't do it. Oh my. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. It's gonna fall off. Proud dad right there. Oh yeah! Nice one, son, you just died. Bro, if his head just comes off, I'm gonna laugh so much. If his head just...
Papa showing Cole how to go.
That man is dead. Let me just watch that again.
Papa showing Cole how to go. Oh my god!
Oh my god, he just broke his back. And snap! Your fucking arm could have just snapped it off, man. For fuck's sake. How can you teach your kid to be this retarded? And oh my god. Mate. She just disappeared. Hang on. She has now entered the void. He's gonna fall. No. Wee. The dog is gonna eat his face. Do it again so the dog can eat your face. The dog, eat him. Oh my god. Mom! Ow! Okay. That actually looked, that's pretty funny. Oh, low blow right there. Oh my god. You're wrestling and then all of a sudden, mate, open up. Boom. Boom. Yo, that's so good. Oh my god. Oh no, here we go. In the face, boom. Oh, that's so cute. Shut the fuck up, you. And he's dead. He just broke his neck. He just died. Right, well, that's where we're going to end it, boys and girls. I think that's enough. Fantabby dozy bozy wozy. Subscribe, comment down below. My name's Joshua. Peace.